Let us utilize the previous geometry what we have created to add multiple faces to the draft feature. So I will be clicking on the draft in the model tree and I will be selecting the edit definition. You can see that I got the dynamic view again. In this case, I have removed the material. Let me change the direction of the angle and I have added the material right now. So in this particular case, you can see I have selected only the surface which is presently seen right now. If I want to add more surfaces to this, I can hold the control command and I can select the other surfaces as well. So I have selected all the 4 faces of the geometry and I have added an angle called as draft angle, say for 10 degrees. So right now the hinge is as it is, the earlier face what we have selected, and I will be pressing the OK command. I have the model with a drafted feature on all the 4 faces of the geometry. So this is very simple. We have simply pressed the control button and we have selected. There was another possibility for us to do that, and that can be done under the reference command. You can see there are 3 categories over here. The first one represents the surfaces, the second one represents the hinge. So when I'm selecting the surface under the hinge, it highlights the hinge what I have selected. So in this particular case, I have selected this face, the top face as the hinge, and you can see that the angle of the draft is with respect to the surface what I have selected. And the final thing is pull direction, and you can see the direction of pull over here. I can flip the pull direction and the amount of taperedness changes to the other side. So in order to check the details, what are the faces we have selected, we can simply press the details command, and here we have a new window over here which will show us all the 4 faces what we have selected. Say for example, if I want to delete any of the surface, say for example I want to delete the last face, I'll just right click it and click on the remove command and press OK. So I have removed one face. This was the face which I have removed, and I can press OK to have the draft as required. Let us move on and discuss further.